We got a mod. Let us learn letter writing in Dinka language. How to write letter in Dinka language. In this case, I'm writing a letter to my grandfather. So let us read. It start like this. E golila. In wadit dengdit. In chamot tadun rare yintin. In yamot aragbot kutiar chekwen. Aya ngot lon polin gop pan nyal. An wen wondu balengdit and chol rian kia majak chol ker ku an wenting kor idiar wayi yin wadi dengdit atorkana atwo yin kuwet get an ator yin akin aya lwelila and which balapanabun kubi an la pyoj igat ku kwen ku jam piat ku luai gwir bai and chigak wutich gok chok kunalwel bi ahat panabun ka en tat winni chwel ku pen en lo panabun en chigum apaidit ku en chugop la chut utich rel utich achaben gam la ruon tui ye wen ngo ye en tany utich ye wen ngo ye en tany utich kumit koch kok arial nyang nyak big la panabun ku big pyoch ku big ya koch bu bai kum ku wirka run botweng ye en chiwich baya bany akolda in wadit in chalim ba en nyai utich ku hat a panabun bala pyoch gad ku kwen ku jam piat aywej bayaran tweng chwab wei koch gup kaat yin a panabun ka en bu pyech apaidit ku bai abakony ku abatit twany rach koch abiarel ka pol gup ku pan chin ye twany e pan la tweng kek agwer bai yin wadi dengdit bai achurot ger gawo chu koch dom piny ku koch akech rot gwir koch abia pir mit geu ku koch kok abaken ya ach weu ku bik mit geu jaloj weu wok ku koch kok abi pyoch panabun ku big ya lui bengich ke chol wan weu big weu ya gur ku teka kek koch lui kek akuma koch bia lui kek akuma a koch chi pyoch igat ku kwen ku jam piat en awich be aran gwir bai kek akuma e yen wich en panabun apaidit ku baya akuma nom eya ondet pung wedya wadit win abalej apaidit en yam yin apaidit wadit win ngat lon bin atordien dugnom wel pat lon bin atordien dugnom wel piat e yin ran tong ya ngot ba en at tukuli panabuni kubala piet ten yin ba ngot apaidit piandia ibn wadit deng dit. Yin balej alecher chikwen tagam yin wel chagot ten yin. Gamin wel chagot ten yin. And bijam die chola kaj ten nyalich abiyarel ke yin ko gaya. Yin akan wen wendu maleng dit majak cholker edipyoj tongjang majak deng dit South Sudan. So this letter is talking about a boy called Majak. He's only living in cattle camp. If he say that he want to go to his school to study like other children, they will not allow him to go to school. They will beat him and say, you only have to stay here to look after cattle. So this boy has come up with the idea to write a letter to his grandfather so that requesting his grandfather to allow him to go to school. He is saying that, my grandfather, you come and take me away from cattle camp and put me in school because I want to learn how to read, how to write, and how to speak well. After I finish my studies, I will be a doctor to help people to eradicate sickness, to eradicate diseases. So this is all about this letter writing in Dinka language. So that's just a short brief for those who are non-Dinka speakers so that they can understand what we were doing here. It is a letter writing. Okay. If you like this, please let us meet in the comment section. Let us interact also, because that is the only way I will know you are also learning with us here in this channel. Thank you very much. And William Majak Malegde. Dornyale Chawek Kuyanya. Bye bye. Ugaben Yok. Next lesson. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is called Dinka English TV Pipe. Please go there, subscribe, also like, and also share the video to your loved ones so that we all learn Dinka language together. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you soon.